Hustle Nation, man. It's your boy Ray back to y'all with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about why the insurance auto auction, aka IAA, that rhymed in it, is better than Copart. Now, there's a few reasons why it's better, but y'all know what I got to do first. Make sure you go to whdacademy.com if you are interested in learning everything about this business, how to get your license, even quicker with no lot, no office space, no credit. You don't have to worry about your credit history. You ain't got to worry about if you got a felony or criminal history, nothing. It's $30 a month for the membership, and I got everything in there that you need. All my plug, everything. My plug, where I get my tools from, not my tools, my parts from, everything, how to properly inspect cars, everything. All right, so now that we got that over with, let me explain to you guys why Copart is a little better. I mean, IAA is a little better, I'm sorry. IAA is a little better because of this, right? So I just looked up a car. I just chose a BMW. Just to choose a BMW, I just was like, hey, because I'm actually riding a BMW right now, a 740 Li, and I like it so much, so I just looked up BMW. But anyway, so check this out here. Beautiful car. This is a M5 2022. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful with the white interior. Now, I don't really like the white interior. Let me actually make myself a little bigger here. Now, I really don't care about the white interior, but it only got 10,000 miles. But I would definitely rock this thing, right? I would definitely rock this thing. Whoa, what is this? Anyway, this is why it's better, right? First of all, check this out. This is let me see. How do I do it? So they got all of this. Well, IAA actually lets you do this too. Not IAA. Copart actually lets you do this too. But this it is because IAA has a video, right? Let's put in something else. Let's put in M4. We're gonna look up another car. I want to look up a new one. Ooh, that one is stationary. You gotta click one that says run and drive. Okay. We're not gonna be able to pick a new one, but here we go. This one says run and drive. This one actually looks like it's from somebody's house. Yeah, it is. Got the IAA plate on the back. Okay. Clear title. This is a clear title car. It's a dealer trying to sell the M4. 48,000 miles. Let's see that video. I don't know, yo. They got on the car. They put the motor they put the camera in the car, bro. In the damn motor, damn near. That's crazy. They wanted you to hear that it's riding good. Let's pick another one. That I ain't never seen that look like that before. But let's pick another one. Okay, we got an M3. That motor sound a little weird, don't it? I don't know. But let's go to Copart. So let's pick up one at Copart. So I just pick one at Copart. We got to pick one that says run and drive. Here we go. 2018. Well, this is not even an M, but. And do you see anything with a video? You don't see nothing with a video, bro. Nothing with a video. We can go to another car. We're going to pick this one. Nothing with a video, bro. They'll show you this. That's all they showing you, bro. So that's one reason why IAA is a little better than Copart. Another reason why IAA is a little better than Copart, well, depending on what state you in, they're gonna have more clear title cars, right? They're gonna have more clear title cars in IAA, and another reason is because IAA is smaller. So Copart gets 11 million visitors per month to the website. 11 million, right? IAA, the insurance auto auction, only gets 2 million visitors a month, right? So with that being said, of course, there's less competition. You know what I'm saying? 9 million people less of competition. You know what I'm saying? So, and I will say that yes, Copart. Would I say that their cars are cheaper though? Yeah. Some cars, yeah. Some cars, yeah. Yeah, I would say IAA cars may be a little cheaper, but I buy more from Copart, which is crazy because Copart has more selection of cars. I guess that's why. Like, I go to and then IAA be tripping about you starting cars and everything. So, damn, I guess that's why they feel like that you don't have to start the car. They like, hey, we got the video in there for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I made this video talking about why IAA is better than Copart, but like, if you think about it, if you know, Copart allows you to crank the car. Like, to me personally, I need to hear more than just the motor running in IAA. Like, that's not good enough for me. But I guess that's their logic to it. They like, okay, you know it runs, you know it moves this amount of forward back, this amount of feet forward, this amount of feet backwards. So they're gonna say it runs and drives, just like Copart will. But yeah, and I mean, that's only certain locations. Your state, they may let you crank the cars at IAAs. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just different states have different rules. But mostly all the Coparts letting you crank everything up. You know what I'm saying? So, but those are a few reasons why IAA is a little better. Because they got that video, so at least you can hear. Like, so for example, if I was trying to look at a car on Copart, and if they had a video, I would know not to even go look up that car because, okay, the motor don't sound too good. You know what I mean? So I'm not even going to go waste my gas and go look at this vehicle. You know what I'm saying? In the IAA, I can do that. I can listen to the motor real quick. Oh, that one ain't sounding right. Skip, next. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't understand how you guys are buying sight unseen. It's crazy, right? wehustledaily.com, man. Monthly membership, man. I'm going to take care of y'all, man. I got the plug on how to get your license. Make sure you click that link in the description below. And also use my auto auction research tool to look up the history of these cars, man. I'm about to put that ad right after this, all right? I appreciate y'all. If you got any more video topics, any video questions, ideas for your boy, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys. It's your boy Ray, man. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.